Hello my friends, welcome to TubeU channel. Today, I noticed an alert in my Pi network application saying that the deadline to migrate my Pi is counting down. However, my KYC was still pending. It has been stuck for about 3 years. So I immediately opened the Pi browser app to check my KYC status. I tapped the small sync icon, and then I saw that the migration deadline countdown was paused because it is waiting for a KYC status update. It is very important to check your status. If your KYC is still pending and the deadline is counting down, you may lose your Pi if the time runs out. But if you sync your status, the countdown should pause until you pass KYC. Shortly after that, I found that I had passed the KYC process and was given the chance to become a validator. However, I'm not familiar with ID verification yet, so I failed the validation process. When I checked my status in the Pi mining app, the KYC status still hadn't synced. Maybe it was because too many pioneers were doing the same thing at the same time. Several hours later, my checklist showed that number 8 KYC application had been completed. Now I only have number 9 left. It may take some time since a lot of pioneers are doing the same thing right now, but I think it will be available soon. This is urgent. Please check your KYC status and your migration process. It is very important for you because you may lose your Pi coins if it isn't completed. It is also very important for me because most of my Pi coins are related to this. You are my team members and you provide most of my bonus Pi. About 97% of my available Pi coins comes from you. If you find my content help you a little, please consider subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot for me. Thanks for watching.